Okay, here is the start of the drainage process. The drainage sewage presumably runs from the back through via the grate towards the front of the garage. Notably, the drain cover at the front is bone dry, so I believe it is redundant. The macerator from the toilet is brought into the sewer line via that copper pipe, which runs through, and then it runs into the sewage line that runs through the centre of the garage. So the next issue is, where is the basin drainage, and where does it connect into the main sewerage around the tap? But I couldn't see anything coming into the water trap in the garage by the sewer. So I dug down by the head of the sewage pipe, as perhaps it connects in there. No, it doesn't seem to. Anyway, on the middle back wall is where the sewage air vent stack will be. Drainage from the upstairs will come down and connect into it. So next time, part 2, I will try and figure out all these unresolved issues.